Can you see yourself in the 2022 Nissan Altima? This well-equipped Altima delivers big on style and substance. Spacious comfort, active safety and infotainment tech, available all-wheel drive and athletic performance set this family-friendly midsize sedan apart from the competition. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: keyless entry, electronic stability control, blind spot monitor, intermittent wipers, trip computer, bucket seats, power windows, four-wheel disc brakes, power steering. Sacrifice nothing. This Altima has it all. Our team will give you an outstanding test drive experience. Stop in today.